In this video, I will be showing you how to fix code 39 driver error in Windows. So the first thing to do here is to simply go to the search icon and then kindly type run, or you can just simply tap Windows R and then type regedit. Okay, once done, click OK. Now here you have to look for H key local machine. Okay, so you have to locate that one first, that folder. So tap this one here. Now you have to look for system. Others, if they open this folder, then they will see that system here or system folder here. But in my case, I have to look for that. So it's either under security or under SAM. So as you can see, I have here the security. Tap this one. So under security folder, you have to look for current control set. Okay, tap this one here. Now look for control and then look for class. Now look for number 36FC9 E60. Tap this one. Now, if you see here upper class, what you want to do is to delete that file. Okay, so since I can't find one, so I don't have to delete any files here. But if you see this upper class, you just have to click that one, right click and then tap delete. And after doing that, it will fix code 39. It will fix code 39 driver error in Windows. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.